Food scanner. Food scanner is such a smart device that can simplify the tasks of busy housewives in the kitchen. Why did we develop this device? User-friendly, so it makes cooking easier. It offers nutritious recipes even from a few ingredients for the whole family. Get to know our developer team. She who puts the dot on the I. The IT geniuses. The visionary who dreams design patterns. The blonde whirlwind, the wizard of numbers. The crazy marketing guy. Above all of us have a different professional background, but one thing is common. We are creative people. It is indispensable assistance while cooking because it creates the best recipes fast and easy from the ingredients at home. Gives you ideas how to create plentiful and tasty dishes from the few available ingredients around. It's easy to use, attainable for anyone, fast and easy help in the kitchen. And there's Food Scanner that can recognize groceries, then inputs the data into its memory base. From the combination of these, it creates several recipes that you can choose from. Easy, fast, great. Food scanner. Follow and support our project for a brighter future.